Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at your home. Students, today I Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 6, Introduction to MS Word 2016. Our today's topic is typing the text. Means today we will learn how to type the text in MS Word. Students, after creating a new document, we get one blank page on the screen with cursor. It means now we are ready to type the text. Just we have to start typing from the keyboard. We see cursor at the top left corner of the screen. It means we are ready to type the text. Now, just we have to start typing from keyboard. Students, to write the capital letters, you can hold down the shift key and then type the letter. To type capital letter, hold down the shift key and type the letters. For the same word, you can also use the caps lock key. Caps lock key is also used to type the capital letter. Now we will learn how to save document after creating. Steps to save document are: students, first of all you have to click file tab. Which tab? File tab. And then click on the save option. As you click on save option, from the appeared list you get the save as dialog box. From the save as dialog box you have to select this PC and then select desktop folder. Now type the file name and then click save button. then your file will be saved. For this work you can also use shortcut keys, that is or. Press shortcut key Control plus S. Now see same steps in your book also. Students, see how will you save the file. First of all, you have to click the file tab. Students, this is file tab. On this you have to click. As you will click here, you get this list. From this list you have to click on save, or you can also select save as. Okay. As you will select save or save as from here, you get this box. From this you have to click on this PC. Okay. After selecting this PC, you have to select the desktop folder. What you have to select? This is the desktop folder. This you have to select. Okay, then this box appear. From this in this box you have to type the file name here and then click on save button. This is the save button. As you click on it, your file will be saved. Next topic is opening a document. To open a document, you have to click on file tab. Then same list appear. There you have to click on open option. After clicking on open option, from the drop down menu, you have to go to the desired folder or drive. Means select desired folder or drive. In your book we are selecting browse, and then we get the file names. From there we have to select the file. Now select desired फाइल. डिजायर्ड फाइल मीन्स जो हम ओपन करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है. एंड इन द ओपन डायलॉग बॉक्स यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन ओपन बटन. देन डिजायर्ड फाइल विल बी ओपन. Same steps can be seen in your book also. See, to open the file you have to go to the file tab, click on it, then you get this dialog box. In this dialog box you have to click on open option. After clicking on this, you have to select the browse, or you can select any other folder or drive in which your file has been stored. Right? Now select the file that you want to open. Okay, and after that click on open button. You also have one shortcut key to open the file, that is the Control plus O, or you can press Control plus O to open the file. Next topic is closing a document. To close a document, students, first of all we have to click File tab. After clicking on File tab, from the appeared from the appeared dialog box you have to click Close option. As we click on Close option, a dialog box appears to save the changes. If you are trying to close, you have to click on Yes. Click Yes. In appeared dialog box. If you don't want to save your file, you can click on cancel, or no, you can also use. You can click no if you want to close your file without saving. मीन्स कि अगर आप फाइल को बिना सेव किए ही क्लोज करना चाहते हैं तो आपको नो पर क्लिक करना है, ठीक है। और अगर अब आप फाइल सेव नहीं करना चाहते, बाय मिस्टेक ये डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर हो गया है, तो आप क्लिक करेंगे कैंसिल पर और क्लिक कैंसिल if you don't want to close the, अगर आपको फाइल क्लोज नहीं करनी है तो आप कैंसिल पर क्लिक कर सकते हैं। All these steps can be seen in your book also. See students, steps to close and open document. First of all, you have to click file tab. This is the file tab here. Click on this, then same list appears. Okay, you can see the list in this picture, and here this is the close button. On this you have to click. As you click here, you get this dialog box. Okay, in this dialog box you have to click on yes if you want to save the file. Okay, if you don't want to save the file, you have to click on don't save. मीन्स आप फाइल तो बंद करना चाहते हैं लेकिन उसको सेव नहीं करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको क्लिक करना है डोंट सेव पर. देन फाइल विल बी क्लोज्ड बट विदाउट सेविंग. And one more is given there, that is the cancel button. Cancel is used in that case when you don't want to close your file. Means आपको फाइल क्लोज नहीं करनी है, ये बाय मिस्टेक आपसे क्लिक हो गया था, उस केस में आप कैंसिल बटन पर क्लिक करते हैं, ठीक है। Next topic is here selecting text. How to select the text? There are various ways to select the text. First of all, I am taking shift plus arrow keys. We can select the text with the combination of shift plus arrow keys. इन दोनों को प्रेस करके आप टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Second method is there by dragging mouse over the text. How? कैसे करेंगे? सपोज करो आप इसी लाइन को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो कैसे करेंगे? अपने माउस का पॉइंटर यहाँ लाइए, क्लिक करिए, ठीक है। और अब लेफ्ट माउस को बटन को प्रेस करके रखिए, प्रेस एंड होल्ड द लेफ्ट माउस बटन एंड देन ड्रैग ओवर दिस लाइन. इस लाइन के ऊपर उसको ऐसे ड्रैग करिए, देन दिस लाइन विल बी सिलेक्टेड. There is a shortcut key to select the entire document. Entire document means जितना भी आपने वर्क किया है एक फाइल के अंदर, अगर आप उस पूरे वर्क को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, for that you have one shortcut key, that is Control plus A is used to select entire document. Students, this is our today's class. Now see what you have to do in your notebook. You have to do one word and short answer type question in your notebook. I will send answer of this in the PDF. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.